Hi, we meet again for this tutorial. Today I will guide you how we can produce radiation map and then from the Google Earth Engine and use QGIS to produce the radiation map. First of all, we have to copy the script. So this is the script I provided. So copy the script and paste it to the Google Earth Engine, and then click run. The Google Earth Engine will do analysis and it will produce the map for us. So just click run and wait until it complete. So this map will be saved in our Google Drive. So once it has been completed, just open Google Drive and you can download it from the Google Drive. So wait until it complete first. Okay, so this is the data that I downloaded to Google Drive. Just open the file, and this file actually in CSV format. You can open it and download. So this is CSV file, then you have to save it to the UTF-8 format, because as usual QGIS unable to read CSV format, so we have to use UTF-8 format. So save it in our folder. So once you save, you can close this file and open QGIS. Then just click add layer and then add the limited file. Choose the file that we have saved before and open it. Click add, and then the data will be displayed in our QGIS in the point manner. So because we do analysis in JOHOR, so we have to add shape file for JOHOR. So if you don't have the shape file, you have to prepare, but for this tutorial I already have, so I just add to this QGIS. Okay, so this is a JOHOR map. So okay, you can see here all the points will be displayed on the map. So to make it better clear, we can change the color. Okay, for this case I changed to green. Then you can see all the point or is shown here in this JOHOR map. Okay, for JOHOR map you can also change the color to make it more clear. Okay, so this is the point for the radiation map. So we need to produce a radiation map, so you can use the IDW feature in QGIS. Click the IDW feature and fill up the information required in this feature. Okay, you can choose annually, and then you can click this plus symbol, then scroll down and change then choose JOHOR boundary, and then change the pixel to more, reduce the pixel becomes 0.005. okay, then click run. Okay, before we click run, you have to save the file. We have to rename the file that we can use later on, and then after you rename the file and click save and click run. Okay, now we click run. So the QGIS we run the analysis. You can see here the map already produced. Okay, so because we just want JOHOR area only, so we have to do clipping analysis. Just go to raster and choose extractions, then choose the parameter, then click run. So the map for the radiation map for JOHOR already produced. We can rename it to JOHOR annual radiation map. Then we can untick the previous map. So after you untick the previous map, you can see exactly the JOHOR radiation map as shown in this tutorial here. So you can change the picture, the colors, because this is black and white. So you can change to any colors. So when you change the color, you can see the different locations. For the orange area is have a very high radiation area, and for the blue section is very low. So from this map we can use as a guideline if we want to install solar energy or something like that in JOHOR area. So this is the map that I produced. You can use this as a guideline for other locations as well. Just change the script, and then you can produce the map for this other location as well. So thank you for your time. Okay, bye.